Alright, I'm walking to feed the neighbor's dogs, and I walk up there. I'm about to get attacked by this psycho overprotective bird that's guarding its eggs. I'm not gonna hurt or nothing, I just want to see how close I can get to without it trying to attack me again. Here we go. You'll probably hear him in a minute. He gets mad. Or she, or whatever she is. There, I hear him. Oh, I see him. See him right there? There he is. Yeah. He's getting mad. See? Okay. Find them eggs. Oh. Got him. Whoa. That's what I thought. Alright. Whoa. See the eggs? Yeah. Whoa. Come behind me and whatnot. Oh yeah? It's hard. What are you gonna do? Dang. Well, I'll get you. Yeah, run away. There's usually two of them. Oh. Oh. Let's get down ground level with him. Hey, 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 you. Yeah, get over here. You want to fight? Oh my gosh. Are you retarded? Keep hitting your wing like that? Oh my. Hey. Hey, bird. This thing must be retarded. Jesus, hot. Oh, there's eggs again. Hey. Oh, he's getting down in it. Hey. My predatory calls do not faze him. Yeah, okay. I'm not bored of this tormenting this bird. I'm not gonna hurt him or nothing. No, don't worry. Hey, watch this. I'll come back and flip out. Alright. See you later.